Hey guys, wanna know how to appeal your band in OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, in order to appeal your band, you need to head towards OkCupid's official website. So just head towards Chrome and then select OkCupid. Now once you've searched OkCupid, click on the first link that will open up its official website. Now scroll down until you see Contact. Select Support. Now here you will be provided with various options and solutions. You can just simply search for your problem as well. For now it's appealing band. Just simply go for appeal band. And right here you can see band and content appeals. Simply click on it. Now click on this first link right here. Now just simply scroll down until you see this capital here text right here with some blue color in it. And once you have clicked there, you should be head towards this appeal form. So simply fill in the form and then select submit. And after a while your appeal will be accepted and your account should be unbanned. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.